このチャンネルは次の世代に日本語をつなげていきたい人向けの動画です。KIZUNALは日本語を通して絆を結んでいく活動をしています。
Usual, you will learn how to read and write ひらがな and カタカナ. And today's grammar is the particle no and to and mo. But just one word for each. However, I'm gonna explain about the three particles today. Review. There you go. Okay, I crop it. Hi. You learned narrow last week. Narrow. N-row. Hi. Read faster. Smooth. はい。
に。
はい。Good. はい。の。
ね。ぬ。
はい。
ね。
ね。
ね。な。はい。そうね。you reviewed. さあ、では、today's ひらがな。Today's ひらがな is H-row. H-row. は、は、は。H-row. ね。H has in hit. hit, hit, hit. ふ、ふ、ふ。ね。H consonants. はい。Let's add up consonant and vowel. Let's add up H plus A goes to
は。
は。Good. H plus E goes to
に。
ひ。Yes. H plus U goes to
う。
ふ。Good. H plus E goes to
に。
へ。H-E. へ。H plus O goes to
ほ。
Practice. Write down. は。ね。は。Let's write down. Please open the book. And then grip your pencil. Write each ひらがな in your notebook. はい。Let's write down. は。Red and green and blue. Let's write down from the left side. Vertical and hook. Vertical and hook. Just a little bit curvy. Little bit curved. And hook. It's not a straight line. The curve is better. Looks beautiful. And green, sideline and stop. And blue. Go down and loop and stop. Ha. This is ha. However, when it's used as a particle, ha is actually pronounced wa. Example sentences. 私は泉です。これはペンです。ね、write the ha, however, pronunciation is wa. これ like this. It shapes like this. He. This is a he. Make sure to start on the left side and go down and draw a cup and go down, stop. It's very interesting shape. He, H-I. He.
Okay.
He. He. Hu. H-U. Hu. Hu. This is a four strokes. Four strokes. There are two ways to write hu. Whichever you prefer is good. Option 1, as above, 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, middle, and left, and yellow. Right. As I told you,
Wait,
for, yeah, this who has two ways. One is separated. It's 4 strokes. And then, that's right. Who, And then I'm writing down other font. But this is another font. But sometimes 1 and 2 are connected. Combine the first stroke and the second stroke. But there are 2 strokes. This is he, H-E, H-E. Each, like a roof. He is another single stroke character. It's pretty easy to write. Nice, good job. Because just make sure to start on the left side and stroking down toward the right. That's right. The last one, H-O, ho, ho. Really similar to ha. Make sure the last stroke starts right on the top vertical line. Let's write down. Each and then hook. And the 2 side line. Write the 2 side line. And then don't come out. Start from green line and then loop and then stop. Let's practice read again. Very fast.
は、
いいですね。はい。
ふ、ふ、
いいです、いいです。
ひ、
one more time.
へ、
はい、よくできました。to word using はひふへほ。
は、
again, yes, は。
こ、箱。
箱、yes, good, box, 箱、いいです。again.
こだ。は、
yes. This is the last one, last week. Again? 花。flower, 花。Nice, very good. And then, 花 has 2 meanings. This is one meaning, which is flower. And then this is a second meaning. Nose in Japanese.
花。
花. Again, 花. Flower and nose. Yeah, let's go to katakana. Katakana is the strokes are very less than hiragana. Pronunciation is the same, as you know. However, the shapes are different. Let's check ha, right? 2 strokes are equal in length and angle. Brush and stop. This is he. The first stroke is written from left to right. Left to right and stop. And go down and curve and stop. He, that's right, he. So let's go to who. Who is similar to the word has extra vertical line at the left top corner. Let's write down. Who, brush. Next one is easy because super easy. It's same as hiragana. Same as hiragana. It looks like the roof, right? Longer after the top of the roof. Each. One. Ho. Ho. This is the 4 strokes. Okay, 4 strokes. It's the first time. Be careful, watch. Left side and stop. And then go down, crossing and hook. And left side and stop. And right side and stop. The hole has a cross in the center and the two short outward and strokes on each side. Again. はい、ジャンゴバージョン。はい。today's no time for review. 何ぬねの Let's go to today's カタカナ。はい。
ひ、
good job. ひ。
へ、
へ。
ほ、
good.
は。
は。Yes.
Oh, it's in this page and that's who.
Very good. Let's go to the next mission. Conversation and grammar. Let's go. Review. And last week, demonstration. You remember some? この、その、の。
うん
はい、read.
このリンゴは赤いです。
Very good. This apple is red. See? これ、this is は。Can you see? This is は。this is は。However, when は comes after topic, read わ。Do you find it? Did you figure out? ね、このリンゴは、これ this is a particle ね、和の particle。このリンゴは赤いです。red。赤い。It's your turn. Put appropriate word in the box. Make Japanese sentence, which means this apple is red.
このリンゴは赤いです。
You're so smart. このリンゴは赤いです。Big. Make sentence.
その本は青いです。
その本は青いです。Big. 青い means blue. はい、look at this picture. Car is far away from both of them. That car over there is blue.
あの車は青いです。
Very good. Today's grammars are Japanese particles. I'm gonna introduce you 3 particles today. このリンゴは、
このリンゴは、
mine. Make mine in Japanese word.
No.
Very good. エミさんのです。Very good. はい、じゃあ last one. Car far away from both of you belongs to Ken.
which one?
Which one? この or その or which one? The car far away.
そう、
very good. 車は、the car is Ken's. Belongs to Ken. Ken's car. Ken's. Which one is parenthesis?
What?
Possessive particle. 車は、ケンさんズ。apostrophe s. again.
その。
の、ケンさんのです。possessive particles. It's good luck, the bad luck numbers. In Western culture, the number 13 is considered bad luck. The bad luck numbers in Japanese culture are 4 and 9. Let's get the greeting. Are you all right? 大丈夫ですか？大丈夫ですか？ Ka is question markers. Oh, that already. 大丈夫ですか？ Oh, she looks down. ね。let down. 大丈夫です。I am alright. I'm alright. 大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫です。
大丈夫です。そうそうそう、大丈夫です。大丈夫です。ね、大丈夫です。はい。じゃあ、はい。I lay down. I'm lay down. はい。asking me. ask me. ああ。
大丈夫ですか？
はい。大丈夫です。大丈夫です。はい、your turn.
1、2、3、4、4、5、6、7、7、8、9、10。
はい、どうです。よくできました。はい。learned H consonants row. はひふへほ。ひらがなでカタカナ。You learned Japanese three particles. No is possessive particles. So is put between two nouns or pronouns. Mo is often translated as also, to, as well as, and either. More is can be used in negative sentence too. はい。じゃあ、let's finish today. ありがとうございました。さようなら。See you next time. ありがとう。バイバイ。またねー。